Here we are at the fish lake. Me and Doodle took the day off. And we're getting ready to go fishing. There's Doodle's fishing rod holders. I'm just watching today. I'm not fishing. I'm not a carp fisherman. Not much. Not anymore. There's Doodle. Yeah, I'm still sitting in the truck. I haven't got out of it yet. He getting ready to go carpy fishing. Well, there's a bunch of ducks. Geese. Something. So yeah, we're fishing. Well, he's fishing. I'm just here for company. Okay, we'll bring you back after a while. One of your hooks came loose.
Huh?
One of your hooks was out.
I put it like that.
Why? Yes, people, this is Doodle setting up to fish. He has 2 poles in the water, and he's getting ready to put a third. In case you didn't know it, we're here at Spicer's Fish Lake. It's not a big fish lake, but it's a good fish lake. It's one of the better ones around here. There's several smaller ones, and there's several around this size, but then there's one really big one. It's called Willowbrook, but it's too expensive to fish at. That's crazy. You gotta pay almost $100 to fish down there every weekend. Who the heck's got that kind of money? So here's Doodle baiting his hooks. Well, hook. I don't know why he's leaving the other one bare. That don't make no sense. Yeah, water or sugar pops get wet really quickly, so they soak through and float up. Yeah, I'm still sitting in the truck. Did you throw your bait off?
Yeah. Throw it too hard.
Hey, just throw it right up the side of the bank. There's a fish on top of the water. I don't know if you can see him through my camera. Right there. There's several of them out there. See?
Yeah, you need to get down here now.
What we have here is Doodle. He caught him a fish.
Now we're getting ready to catch another one on another pole if you don't get down here.
Well, he's trying to reel it in. Is it moving? That's a big fish.
Oh crap.
What?
It's a big fish. Hey, you ever heard of the hook, the U-pole? Right there it is. I won't do this thing now.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
No, no, no. Let him play. Let him play. Don't worry about that one. Set that back down. Let him play. Let him play. Let him wear himself out. Keep tension on him.
Oh shit, that's a big one.
I'm walking down here. I'm going to help him get him in. I'm going to try to help him get him in if I don't fall in the damn water and drown my damn self.
You ain't gonna fall in.
Okay, look at the ground a minute. Okay. Try to get him right up in here.
I'm trying. Put the back up.
No, let him come over. Probably. You need to tighten up on your drag a little. Loosen it up or something.
I'm letting him wear himself out.
I'm gonna go up here and sit down while you let him wear out.
Hey, better come over here. He's right here. He's wore out. Daddy, go get my rod. I'll get that.
How the hell did you do this one?
I don't know. I guess something hit it and almost drug it off. Hey, look at me.
Doodle the fisherman. Here. Let me grab the camera.
How am I supposed to grab a camera?
Get him over here. Bring him this way.
Dang! That's my biggest fish yet.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, now how the hell am I gonna get him out of this fucking tech? Oh, you son of a bitch.
Doodle's upset. He got stuck in the arm with a hook. Now he needs a technic shot. Wait. You didn't take a picture of him.
We got him on video. I don't need no technic shot.
Look at him, he bleeding.
Need a band-aid.
Okay. Bring him back in a minute.
Alright guys. I got a wound from the war. A damn carp flipped, popped the hook out its mouth and popped me right there in the arm. It went about...
Do that over there, not facing me.
Here, hold up. It went to about right there in the holes way up here. Barb stuck in.
Did it hurt?
Oh, it hurt like a son of a bitch.
Okay. You okay now?
Yeah, it's feeling better.
Okay. Doodle got wounded in the war of fishing. That's a pretty decent sized carp. I'd say he was probably about 15 pounds.
No, he was more than 15 pounds.
I don't know. That son of a bitch was 36 pounds and 17 ounces.
No, I say it was about 20.
Here, take that with you. You might want it. Here, finish drinking it. Take it with you. Here, Doodle. Got him another fish. What are you looking at me for?
This is big.
That's the biggest fish he's ever caught, folks. How big a test you got on them fishing rods?
One of them, two of them I got 20.
Tighten that damn drag up a little bit then. Which one, is that got 20 on it?
I don't know. That big one right there does, Berkeley.
Berkeley ain't catching nothing. Just seems to be that simple.
I think this is a buff.
No, Doodle, it's a fish.
A buffalo carp. Nope.
No, you caught him in the side. That's the reason he felt so big. You caught him in the side. He's pulling him against the water. I think you can get him. Yeah, he's not as big as the other one. Wait a minute. Before you throw him back, hold him up.
Oh shit. Let's flip up the fat ass.
Undo the one in his mouth first.
There ain't one in his mouth.
Oh. Now don't put no pressure on him, you'll squeeze him.
You need to flip over. You want to come help me?
No.
Please?
No.
Shit. I need...
Doodle's biggest fish to date.
Hell no, it wouldn't. First one.
Flip him right here, nobody can see him. He was reeling it in and that little old fish got snagged up on him. That was the funniest thing I've ever seen. He was reeling it, there was all kinds of slack, and then all of a sudden, it took off.